All right, well, if you have a bed of a truck and no spare tire, you want to mount a trasharoo or a trash bag. What I ended up doing was just going right through the bed rack. What I did is I cut straps off the back, moved them up, very simply installed them right to the bed rack. So I have plenty of space in there. When I'm not using it, very easy to disconnect. Oh, I gotta adjust it, but disconnect that. Get the trash bag, and these just get pulled right back through. So they sit in the bed when they're there. The only thing I think I'm gonna do is switch the connectors, the clips, for one female and one male, so I can clip them together while they're in the bed. But otherwise, piece of cake.